Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to PowerPoint in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you need to edit or present content that's currently locked in PDF format, giving you the flexibility to modify slides and tailor presentations to your needs. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro version, as this feature requires the full capabilities of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the conversion tools we'll need for this process. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've been working with lately, making it easy to locate what you need. From here, select the file you want to convert to a PowerPoint presentation. If your file isn't showing up in Recent Files, you can always browse your computer to find it manually. Once your PDF is open, look at the upper left toolbar and click on Convert. This button is your gateway to transforming PDFs into various formats, and it's where all the conversion magic happens. Clicking it will reveal several options for different file types. In the left panel that appears, you'll see a list of format options. Click the circle beside Microsoft PowerPoint. This selection tells Adobe Acrobat exactly what format you want your PDF converted into, ensuring the output is optimized for PowerPoint compatibility. After selecting Microsoft PowerPoint, click Convert to PPTX. PPTX is the standard PowerPoint format that works with most versions of Microsoft PowerPoint and similar presentation software. This step initiates the conversion process. Now you'll need to choose your preferred saving options. Adobe gives you flexibility here. You can save directly to your computer, store it in Adobe Cloud Storage for easy access across devices, or even save it to other connected cloud storage services. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and where you'll need to access the file later. Enter your file name in the field provided. Be specific with your naming so you can easily identify this converted presentation later. Once you've entered the name, click Save to confirm your choices and location. Finally, wait for a few seconds while Adobe generates your PowerPoint file. The conversion time depends on the size and complexity of your PDF, but most files process quite quickly. You'll see a progress indicator during this phase, and once complete, you'll have a fully editable PowerPoint presentation ready to use. You've now successfully converted your PDF into a PowerPoint presentation, giving you complete control to edit, rearrange, and present your content as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.